Hello, welcome to the 2022-23 school year. I'm Mrs. Wood, your chemistry teacher. And today we're going to go over some information about chemistry class. So the units of study for first semester include atomic theory, periodic table, introduction to chemical bonding, properties of matter and bonds, introduction to chemical reactions and chemical equations. Second semester, we will study stoichiometry, which is my personal favorite unit, solutions, acids and bases, thermochemistry, kinetics, and gases. So the materials needed for class include a binder with 5 tabs and a composition notebook, a calculator, which can be scientific, pencils, black or blue pens, and a highlighter, and also your Gwinnett County Public School issued Chromebooks. Please make sure that they are charged when you come to school, and this will be the only device you'll be allowed to use in class. So you do need to have it every day. So parents, please make sure that you are checking the parent portal to access your child's grades in all classes. And if you are having any trouble with the parent portal, please contact Ms. Tracy Folsom, and you'll see her email listed below. So here are our grading procedures for chemistry. Summative assessments will be 45%. So that includes unit tests in class. Classroom assessments will be 35%, and that includes your labs, quizzes, and classwork. You will find a breakdown of this percentage on the class syllabus. The county formative assessment is 5%, final exam 15%, and performance final 5%. Students should check eClass, Google Classroom, or the makeup work folder located in my room when they are absent. And students have 5 days to complete work after being absent. So let's talk about the late work policy. Late work is accepted in this class. There will be 5 points taken off for each day the work is late, and no credit given after 5 days. This does not include you being absent. If you are absent, you have 5 days to actually get your work turned in before anything is taken off as far as points go. So preparing for tests, complete the review sheet that's given for each unit. Make sure you study notes that are given in class and practice. Make flashcards for vocabulary terms from your notes. Stay after school or come early if additional help is needed. And this is the early part of this is by appointment. And then we'll talk about the tutoring schedule when you all are in class. So a lot of students want to know if they should expect to have homework daily. So ongoing homework is the review sheet for your unit and studying the notes, but most homework is work that you did not finish in class that you have to take home to finish. Some will finish during the advisement time each day. So you may have a teacher that will allow you to do work during your advisement time. If it's okay with them, then you can get that done. However, if you don't finish your work in class, most likely it will be work that you need to finish at home and bring back. The students are expected to spend around 20 minutes each evening reviewing notes and working on the review sheet. So our book is online for chemistry. To get to it, you go to Gwinnett County Public Schools website. You click on My eClass. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to log in using your username and password. So it will be there for you. Some course information. All course information can be found on my eClass page or Google Classroom. So the syllabus, lab safety, class policies, you'll find that on my eClass webpage. Notes, electronic copies of assignments, and additional resources will be uploaded to Google Classroom. So I do use both eClass and Google Classroom in my class. Also, the calendar that I use is the one that is on eClass. So I'll post important dates like dates for quizzes, dates for tests on the eClass calendar. And if you need me, have any questions, any concerns, this is my email address. Please make sure you use it whenever you need it. Also, as I said before, we'll talk about the tutoring schedule when everyone comes in person to school. So you'll get that information then. But I do encourage you to seek tutoring if you need help with anything. And I look forward to seeing all of you the first day of school.